The story of Little Beans.
Once upon a time, in the forest, there was a cute little squirrel named Little Beans. Suddenly, a very angry mouse named Amo appeared. His face was full of frustration and anger. Amo complained to Little Beans that he had been bullied by some bad animals in the forest. Little Beans told Amo that hitting or using violence was not a good way to solve problems. Little Beans suggested to Amo that there might be other ways to solve problems, and introduced some problem-solving methods. Little Beans and Amo became good friends. They explored the forest together, found nuts to eat, and taught other animals how to solve problems peacefully. All the animals in the forest learned to solve problems in peaceful ways. In the end, the whole forest was filled with peace and love.
Curly